Somebody asked me, John, what's for dinner tonight? And I said, my gosh, you would have to ask me that on the one night when I don't have anything planned. So I did some quick thinking, and we had one of these Schwan's beef merlot dinners in the freezer. It's been there a while, and it turned out to be perfect for two people. Just perfect, no leftovers, and extremely quick and delicious. All you have to do is heat a half a cup of water along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the skillet right here. It's not much to look at in the frozen state, but are you ready for a sneak peek? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, not bad. It's gonna be good. Wow, man, this turned out excellent. Just so succulent. The meat is so tender, very good. I highly recommend it when you don't feel like cooking.